Hey there, in this video, we're going to show you 5 tricks of ChatGPT that you may not know about. Trick number 1. ChatGPT can be used to generate creative writing prompts. Just give it a topic and watch as ChatGPT generates unique and interesting writing prompts to get your creative juices flowing. Trick number 2. ChatGPT can be used for translation. It can translate text from one language to another with a high degree of accuracy. Trick number 3. ChatGPT can be used to summarize long articles. Just input the article, and ChatGPT can generate a summary in seconds. Trick number 4. ChatGPT can be used to generate product descriptions. Just provide it with some basic details about your product, and ChatGPT can generate a compelling and informative product description. Trick number 5. ChatGPT can be used for customer service. It can help answer common questions and concerns, providing personalized and helpful responses. There you have it, 5 tricks of ChatGPT that you can start using today to make your life easier and more productive. Thanks for watching.